Welcome to this tutorial on how to create digital posters using Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and search for poster. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Select the one you like and click to open it. Next, click on Customize this template. Double-click on the text to edit the content to suit your needs. Drag and drop your images to replace the existing ones. You can also change colors, delete elements you don't need, and customize your poster further. Once you are happy with your design, go to Share, then click on Download to save your poster. Choose either PNG or JPEG format depending on your use, such as for the web. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.